How to auto-rotate screen on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Automation in the middle. From here, you can create automations to make shortcuts run automatically. Tap on New Automation as shown. Scroll down and tap on App. Here, select Is Opened. Then, tap on Choose beside App. Search for or scroll down to find YouTube and select it. And then, tap on Done at the top right corner. Here, tap on Run immediately below. Then, tap on Next. Now, go to the search bar and type in Set Orientation Lock and tap on it. Tap on Toggle and select Turn. Then, tap on once to turn it off. After that, tap on Done above. You have now successfully set up this automation. You can also swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Over here, make sure the Portrait Orientation Lock option is turned on. Now, go back and open up the YouTube application to test your new automation. Following these steps, you can easily auto-rotate screen on iPhone.